What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, the thumbnail, and my attire, I am recreating Billie Eilish's makeup look. Basically following her makeup routine is pretty similar to mine already. There's just like minor differences, so I wanted to try it. She uses blush and I don't use blush. I'm scared of blush. Blush has become more of a trend in makeup, and I tried it, but it just, I don't know if I like it. So I kind of like avoid it. But today we're gonna use it. So obviously I don't have the exact product she's using because I'm not gonna go buy every single product she uses because that shit's expensive. I'm gonna follow her makeup routine exactly. So gonna go out of our comfort zones today. I watched the video, but it wasn't like the original video. It was someone else that reposted it but edited it to show what product she used. I'm gonna be following this one. I usually do like a winged liner, but she only has like the eyeliner here, so it's out of my comfort zone, but we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna put clips in my hair and then I'm gonna put primer on and then we're gonna start. Okay, so I've clipped my hair back. I've got my eyeliner, which is the first product she uses. And then I've got, what are they called? Cotton swabs? Cotton swabs, right? So she actually uses one to like go like this, and I think it takes away the moisture so you can put the eyeliner on properly and the pigmentation stays, which I've never heard of before. I've never heard of doing this. Like, life hack, like, I don't know why, but my hair, like my strands that I tucked behind my ear, they look like furry earrings. I don't know, is it just me?
Bruh.
I don't like the feeling. Time for eyeliner. That is one eye done, and you can't even tell I've done it. Next eye. Okay, so I've done both eyes. Oh, I gotta make a wing. I think my eyes are a bit more hooded than hers. They are similar, but a bit more hooded, I think. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this eyeliner. I'm used to doing my normal winged liner. So we're gonna try.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I don't think they're even, but that's good enough. Okay, so she's got an eyeshadow palette and she's smudging. Wait, what color did she use to smudge? Because we want to get as similar as possible. Okay, I don't think it showed what color she used. So we're gonna use like a dark color to smudge it, I guess. Oh, and her wing went under here as well. So let me fix that. Ah! Okay, so the palette I'm going to be using is this Natural Wonder Morphe palette. It has these colors, and I have an angled brush. I'm going to use this dark brown here. Okay, so now she's getting a Q-tip. So let's even it out using her fingers. Okay, so that's the best they're gonna get. Let's see what she does next. So now she's doing the inner corner. She seems to be using a makeup brush. I'm just gonna use the same angled one. I really suck at doing the inner corner, even with my normal eyeliner. See, this is what happens. I ruin the other one. I try to make the other one the same as that one, and then it gets ruined. How does she do it so effortlessly? Effortlessly. I don't know. Okay, so next she's putting concealer on. So I'm just gonna use my fingers, but I'm gonna wash my hands first. Let's see what she does next. She does use a setting powder. She just kind of puts it all over her face. I don't know if that's an actual setting powder. I don't even know the difference between translucent powder, setting powder. I don't even know how to use them properly. I just like do it my own way. But I'm gonna get my setting powder, translucent powder, whatever. It's a finishing powder, translucent. Is that even setting powder? Like, is it the same thing? I don't know. It comes with one of those things, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna do it exactly like Billie did. So I'm just gonna get a bit on my brush and just put it everywhere. I really hope this turns out good because I'm not used to this tutorial and my eyeliner is She does have freckles with like an eyebrow like color in thing. I don't know what they're called. I've got an actual freckle tint. Blend those in. Next she uses a blush stain. I don't have a blush stain, but I do have blush that's similar to that, so I'm going to be using that. But wow, it's really pink. I'm really scared to use it. I'm going to use this, which I've actually had since I was like 14 maybe, and I haven't used it in like 7 years. I forgot I had it, but it's kind of similar to what she's using. I'm just going to get more because maybe it is really pigmented, and in this lighting it just doesn't look like it. I don't know if you can tell or not. She has a highlighting stick thing, but I'm just going to use my eyeshadow because this is what I use for highlighter. I really like using this shade. You can tell I've used it the most. Mine is really sparkly and more pigmented than hers. Hers is more like shiny. It's not going to be exact, but I'll work with it. Can we just take a minute to appreciate how naturally beautiful Billie is? Like, she's so stunning. I love her music so much. I'm seeing her live next month. I'm so excited. Okay, so I put the highlighter on. I usually like to contour my nose and then put highlighter on, but she didn't do that, so we're not gonna do that. Okay, so I don't know if that's meant for mascara and she's using it for eyebrows, or if it's actually meant for eyebrows and it just is called whatever mascara. I don't know. She's kind of doing it more natural. She's not like, she has wonderful eyebrows, like I wish. So this is what I usually use for my eyebrows, and I usually like fill it in and do like the shape there, but she's doing it more natural just with a tint. So we're gonna improvise, and I'm gonna actually brush them, and then I'm gonna get my eyebrow powder or whatever you call it. First I'm gonna bend it. Hopefully it works. Okay, eyebrows done. So I've done my eyebrows. I really want to fix that inner corner, but like okay, so she's curling her lashes now, so that's what we're gonna do. Lashes curled. Now she's putting her mascara on, so I'm gonna use this mascara. Okay, I've done my mascara. So she has a peel off lip liner, which I don't have. So I'm just going to use my lipsticks I usually use, which is like a similar color, and I use my lipstick as a lip liner. So I think she just uses the lip liners. I went digging through my makeup. I'm not going to use my usual lipsticks that I use because it's a bit darker than that. I thought it would be the same. So I'm just going to use this one, which is from e.l.f. I'm actually going to use eyeshadow because I don't have a pencil thing, and I'm going to use the same shade I use for my eyes. I don't know. She looked amazing. I need to fix up my eyes and then I'll do a final reveal. Transition to final reveal. And I did my best. I did my best. I did my best. Okay, so this is the final look. Obviously, my inner corners are more pigmented than hers because I just tried doing them like 5 times and wiping them off and doing them over again, and I just couldn't get the shape right. I'm a perfectionist, so it needs to be even and right. This is the best they're gonna get. I mean, it's almost similar to her look. I feel like the lips, you know, could be better if I had the proper lip liner, but really. Let's go in natural lighting. I feel like I could have done better, but I just realized that I got it all up here. Oh my god. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below what videos you guys want me to do. If you want me to follow other celebrity makeup tutorials. I have some exciting videos planned, so stay tuned. I'm going to be doing more thrifting videos if you guys are interested in thrifting. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post. I do need to tweeze my eyebrows though. Like, oh my gosh, guys. there was like a huge, oh my gosh, there it is. There's like a huge black butterfly. I would show you, but the camera doesn't really show through the window properly because I got a fly screen. But there was a huge black butterfly with like white spots or whatever. But it was like one of the biggest butterflies I've ever seen like in the wild. Wow. And usually I just see like the little white ones. I did see a blue butterfly before as well, which was really cool. Okay, time for the thumbnail. Time for the thumbnail.